Hello there everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley. Thank you so much for popping onto my video today. I really do appreciate it. Today I'm going to be seeing what is in my May IPSY bag. Now when I do these IPSY videos, I really like to wear nothing on my face, nothing in my hair. That way I can try these products on here with you. Unfortunately today there's really nothing to try on. I feel so bad saying this, but honestly, this bag really sucks. So the bag itself, I will say, the bag itself is my favorite part. I absolutely love this bag. Just the color of it, the pattern, it's like floral, as you can see. I have to say, this is probably like my top 3 bags itself I've ever gotten. My absolute favorite was like the marble one with the pink zipper. That was my favorite, but this is up there. This is definitely top 3. So I love the bag itself. However, the products just are totally lackluster this month. And I got a really good bag last month. So it's hard. It's so hit and miss. And unfortunately, this month is a miss. I will start with the thing that actually there's 2 things that aren't too bad in here. So the first one is an eyeliner from Lottie London. This is the AM to PM retractable eyeliner stick. I mean, like I said, it's a brand that I've heard of. I just looked on the card and the retail for this is only $6. So it's like the cheapest thing in here. And then it's also, I don't know, it's just, if my favorite thing in here is a retractable eyeliner, that kind of tells you, a $6 retractable eyeliner, that kind of tells you how bad this bag is. So that's my favorite thing. I mean, I just tried it on my hand really quickly. It went on super duper smooth. It's pretty black. It's not the blackest black. I do think you're going to have to do a few passes. So I'm going to hold this up. One of these is just 1 pass and the other is 2. So you definitely might have to do 2 passes with this, but it also does come with a sharpener at the end, which is always very much appreciated. And the only other product that I'm pretty excited about is this shadow brush from Complex Culture. The retail of this is $18, which is pretty expensive just for one brush. I'm trying to get it out of the package here. I apologize. Okay, here we go. So I love the styling of these brushes. I do have another one that I've gotten from IPSY, and it was a highlight brush, but I love the gray and then the metal, and they're 2 different materials, and they're very soft. And this is just called their all over shadow brush, so I'm assuming that you can use it for shadows here and in the crease. Ooh, it's super soft too. So what I'm thinking of is maybe after I show you the rest of the products, I might try it out. Okay, here are the rest of the products that I got. The first one is this GoldFaden MD Pure Start Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. I don't know, like I feel like this might actually be like a good brand and a good product. I don't hear about them often, so that leads me to believe that maybe they're not. I don't know. It says the full size of this is $35. I do have to say, I do like that the ingredient list on the back is pretty small. But still, I don't know. It's one of those things, I hate to say this because I don't really trust brands that I don't hear a lot about and that aren't well known. It's just kind of sketchy to me. And we have another one that I've never heard of, Lasting Smiles. It's a chapstick. Smile for a cause. I don't know what that means. Let me see. $6 on its own. This is a full size, so that's really nice. I do have to say that I also like the ingredient list on here. It's completely organic. It has the USDA organic seal, and every single thing on this ingredient list I have heard of. Okay, I have to say, it does smell amazing, so I will probably get some use out of this. I'm always looking for a chapstick, just kind of toss in my purse, but that might be a good one. Then the final thing is something I'm super disappointed in, just because I've already gotten it. So, already gotten it. It does smell really good. I know that because I've smelled it before, because I've had it before, but just not really looking forward to repeats, you know? So, I don't know. This bag is just kind of a dud for me. So what I am going to do is I'm going to try this brush out. I'm going to grab some eyeshadow, put some primer on, and then maybe try the eyeliner as well. Alright everybody, welcome. So I went ahead and grabbed my Tartelette in Bloom, and hopefully we can use some of these. I am going to use the same brush for everything. It says all over shadow brush, so I'm assuming that means that it can be used all over. And it looks like a very versatile brush because it is fluffy, but then if you turn it to the side, it also does kind of have a flat profile. So I primed my eyelids with some Urban Decay Primer Potion, so I'm just going to go in and I'm going to try to use this all over like the name says. So I'm going to dip into just a shimmery shade on the lid called Funny Girl, and let's see how this, I can barely see it. So I dipped it in and it looks very patchy. That's what I will say. It looks very, very patchy. It is really, really soft though, I will say that. Okay, so that eye doesn't look bad. Maybe I just need to go back in. And I'm patting it on rather than swiping it. Okay, didn't really do that much. So I'm going to try it in the crease now. And I'm going to go in with a shimmery brown shade called Firecracker. It's like I don't know if it's the shadows or the brush. I just can't see anything. Okay, I can see a little bit. I mean, but there's so much on here. Like, there's no way that I shouldn't be able to see this. Holy crap. Ooh, nice pimple. Welcome to my face. Okay, so I can't really see anything. I'm going to go in with this dark, very, very, very dark brown called Activist. And I just picked up like a little bit because I tend to go too heavy. Myself, I do. I tend to go too heavy, so. Okay, so I can see that. Okay, so I can see that, so, oh, that's way too much. Maybe it's just the shimmer shades that aren't working out too well for me. And then, like, this eye's just not even working at all. And then it's really, like, it's still in there. Like, I feel like it's not leaving the brush, or maybe it's staining the brush because these bristles were white. And like, I'm trying to flick it off and nothing, it still looks pretty dirty. It's just very interesting. So I'm going to go back into that first shimmer shade and try to pat some more over here because they got rid of a lot of it. Okay, I'm going to go into the skin tone shade Flower Child. Okay, a lot of this is user error. And it just keeps looking worse and worse and worse. Sorry. Once again, I know I'm not exactly like trying here, but usually when I don't try, it still looks okay. Okay, let me try to get all of this off and see if I can just use a clean brush. Okay. I think that's as clean as it's gonna get. So this eye don't look too bad, but the other eye is not the same story. Okay, I don't think it's gonna get much better. So I'm gonna leave it at that. I don't know. For me, it was hard to tell how this brush works because I think most of that was user error rather than brush error. But I am gonna try to go in with the Lottie London eyeliner now. It's got a nice, it's already sharpened, so it's got a nice point. So I'm gonna try to go in and not hold my eye taut because I've been trying not to do that lately. But we'll see how well this glides. God, you gotta get in here. Press deep into your skin. This is just very disappointing. And the tip just broke off. Do you see that? Are you kidding me? Oh, it's still here. You're joking. You are joking. I have to press down extremely hard to get it to work, and then you have to press down so hard that it just snaps off. Okay, I sharpened it again. I'm going to try not to put out so much this time. So with this eyeliner, you are either going to have to hold your eye taut or it's going to break off. Like there's... It's just not good. It's so not good. Okay. Well, you know what? I'm actually glad that I tried this. I honestly wasn't going to try this. I thought it was just another black eyeliner. But I'm very glad that I did because it is just not good. Good. As you saw, it was very, very hard to get anything to come off of it. I had to press down super hard, like super hard into my eyelid, and then it broke off because I was pressing so hard. So I personally, just from that brief encounter, would not recommend that eyeliner. Alright, my friends, well, there was my May IPSY bag. As you saw, complete and total dud. Product's not very good. This brush was okay. I think it's just user error, actually, not brush error, so I honestly haven't done eyeshadow in 3 or 4 months, so like I said, user error, but you know, I really think this is the only thing I'm gonna keep using. That eyeshadow just really made me mad, actually. What can you do? Hopefully next month's bag will be better. Thank you guys for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there, you know, that little guy down there, and I'll see you guys soon.